Hey guys, it's Amyah. So today I'm going to be doing an eye look using the new Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette by Tarte. I just bought it yesterday and it's so cute. I already used it on my mom. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing a look. So I'm gonna start off with this Urban Decay primer potion, a mini size. It's so cute, and I'm just going to get this mirror, and I'm just gonna use that much. Take a brush. I don't know why I'm using a brush, but I am. So yeah, and excuse my ugliness. I don't know. My hair is currently air drying and it's getting a little frizzy, so yeah. Why am I using a brush? Don't ask, because I really have no idea. So then I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm going to take this color, Rollin' in Dough, and it smells really good. I really like this palette. And I'm just going to put this on my eyelid as like a base color. So now I'm going to take the palette. I really like this. It's like really pretty. And it smells like vanilla. So if you like vanilla, get this palette because it smells really good. So I'm going to take like this Tarte brush. I'm going to take the color Sandbar. It's like a brown. Yeah, I don't know. I can't really see it. Yeah, it's like a brown. I'm just going to use this as my transition color. Transition shade. I can't talk if it wasn't obvious. So now I'm going to take the same color that we set our lids with, and I'm just going to blend. I'm going to take this brush, it's like that, and I'm going to take the color Short Thing. Oh, I get it. Short Thing. Okay, I'm dumb. Okay. I'm just going to take that color. It's like, where is it? Oh, that's one at the top. Well, I looked really focused. I'm just going to put that on like the outer part of my eye, like right here. And it's basically what I'm doing. I'm just going to blend it into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this like fluffy but like flat brush. I'm just gonna take a darker color called Shipwreck. It's just like a dark like purpley plum color, and I'm just gonna put this on the outer V just to really intensify it, I guess. I don't really know. I'm not really good at this, but it's okay, you know? It's okay.
So now I'm going to take, what I always say, I'm going to take, no honey, I'm going to take, Lip Plus. I'm so excited because I'm like an official YouTuber. Just kidding. Ready anyway. Don't come for me.
Okay, I'm gonna take the color Salt Water, and it's like a pretty like shimmer color type of thing. What? And I'm just gonna take this brush. It's literally an Ulta brush. Sorry, Morphe. Just kidding. And I'm just gonna spray it. Just put this on my lid, as if we were doing like a half cut crease, except I didn't cut my crease because I don't got time for that. So now that that is done, I'm going to take the same Tarte brush that we started with and just like softly blend it, just like very soft. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the same exact thing as the other eye, or for, oh my god, I can't talk, so like, sorry. But I'm just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And I'm just gonna put it on this eye. I think I'm gonna use these. These are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. The mascara again, and I'm just gonna very light. Actually, I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna blend the lashes together. So I'm gonna prime with the Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot primer. This is a really nice primer. I love this. Tarte Amazonian Clay. It's a little dark for me, but oh well. It's in light medium honey. I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Eco Tools Complexion Buffer. Don't mind like the loudness, because my siblings are annoying and they don't know how to shush, so just ignore that. Oh my god. I love this foundation, and it's like honestly not that dark for me anymore, which is kind of a surprise, so that's awesome. I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer and Foundation Duo thingy. I'm just gonna put a little bit down my nose, on the sides, and just like a little bit. And I'm just gonna spray my beauty blend. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D like Lock-It setting powder, and I'm just gonna take this black sponge from Ulta, and I'm honestly just gonna use a little bit of this. I'm not gonna bake or anything, cause who bakes? Just kidding. I'm just gonna put this like just a little bit under my eye. And just like tap it. So I'm gonna be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Party Blush with this brush. I don't really wear blush that much just because I don't really like blush, but I really like this color, and I got it free for my birthday, like for the gift. Oh my god, that's a lot. Yeah. And then I'm gonna be taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay highlighter. It's tragic, but yeah. And I'm just putting it on. Now I'm taking my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm going to take this Glamour Dolls brush, and I'm just going to bronze up the face. I love this bronzer. My hair is like really bothering me. It looks gross. Okay. I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz in soft brown, and I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows, because let's just try this one more time. So and then for my lips, I'm going to take this new lipstick that I got free for buying the Mermaid palette, and it's the Tarte Tartist lip paint in, it doesn't have a color on it, but it's really pretty. I wore it yesterday, but I'm just gonna put this on my lips. Okay, so this is the lipstick. It's really pretty, and now I'm just gonna set my face. This isn't like a setting spray, but I love it, so I'm just gonna spray it. So yeah. Okay, so that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!